Reese Jr. Ross of the ENT, man. I fucks with my boy Nico Blaze, fucks with him. Fuck with my nigga Alliance Serrano Sean Ross of the ENT. Fuck with my nigga Andres from Colombia doing it big. My cousin Yang and Mayo making big moves. Go ahead. Lil Diego, tell him about you, man. Tell him.
We in this bitch all day, every day, cause you see me serving yay. Nigga, I don't play, I stay busted up to the motherfucking wrist. Yellow diamonds in this bitch, cause a nigga feeling pissed, cause I hate on my shit. Cause you know I get that work. Holla at your boy, baby, cause I put you on the dirt. Sit you on the dirt, nigga, if you talking about the shit. Better leave right riding clean. So always stay equipped, riding in the Chevrolet with a trunk full of heavyweight. Bitches in my way, but my dick fun to penetrate. I don't give a fuck, grinding like I fucking skate. Get money, motherfucking nigga, can't relate. Goddamn. Spin this shit, all these hoes on my dick, cause I stack mad chips and I fuck foreign bitches everywhere I go. Can you see my eyes low, cause I'm high on the dope? Yeah. Go ahead.
Yo, come against me, guaranteed your story be tragic. It ain't really nothing, nigga, put your heart in a panic. Yeah, guaranteed you have heart attack coming around me. It ain't really nothing, nigga, wanna listen, guaranteed you gon' have to be on a mission. Cause me, it ain't nothing, cause I get artillery with my army ready. No, got Reese and everybody's a missionary, just ready. Nigga, cause we shooting, niggas are rooting, but it's nothing, them police niggas, we eluding all black with the red on. You already know this nigga about the red on. Yeah, I'm talking bullets that I'm shooting, it ain't nothing, nigga. I'm about to go stupid, nigga, so keep around me. Big boy, I do big things, I ride Tonkas. It don't really matter, got your bitch going Willy Wonka. She want the candy, so I let her ride a stick. You already know me, nigga, when I come around, I'm sick. And I run with this shit, and I don't care, bring your click. Guarantee you we can fight it out, Ross City in this bitch. Nigga.
Yeah, man, that boy flow, that nigga keep fucking flowing. Go ahead and tell the nigga, see that flow is fucking potent. Talking about the best, where they call me fucking damn Hercules. Look at your hoe, she begging while she on the damn knees. Talking about I'm a king, IIP, the King Tut. Aristotle flow, nigga, tell him, see, I got them big nuts. Your hoe love the lick, I'm the nigga, they call this shit Raw City ENT, Colombian to the day I die. Any nigga got a problem, I'ma up the fucking fire. Holla at my nigga spit, man, that nigga got the shit. Fuck with, fuck that.
Hey,
check it. She call me crazy, I said, no, bitch, I'm insane. Why? Because I got kickers in the middle brain. So I can stay smooth like the hair change. Blame it on the goose and get loose like spare change. I got a bare range, I call him my nigga hustler. See the long flows, watch you do the Cupid shuffle. Then you hear the engine kick back all muscle. Only your back can reach.